G'day guys, Matty Mac here. So I have been looking for a long time. I was looking for a good intro outro to do YouTube videos with, and I hit up Fiverr and paid about $50 to get a fairly simple intro done, and I was happy with that. I used it for a while, but then I came across this website. So this is FlixPress. It's a free it's got a free entry to it. You can pay for the upgrades of course, but the free one is well worth it. Jump on here and just set up your free account. And when you do set up your free account, you've got a bunch of free templates that you can use, and they're so easy to use. All you need to do is drop in your lines of text, your website, and a couple of pictures, and then you can download and use those. So you've got a total of about 2 minutes, which when you use an intro or an outro is about 10 seconds each. So you've got quite a few there, and you can just drop your information into any of these templates. So these are the free plan templates, but if you did want to pay for more, it might be worth it if you use quite a bit. So there's personal, expert, business, so you can spend quite a lot if you really wanted to, but for $3 or $4 a month for a whole bunch of templates, it's not a bad price. But just going back to the free ones, even if you just wanted to check that out. So it gives you a bit of a demo here, but if you just put your own information into this, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping it in. It comes out really well. It looks really nice. So imagine your photos and then your website. Easy. This is kind of a cool one that I use. Put your own photos in there and your website, and it's just a great little intro. So there's quite a few that you could go through to your personal taste, but I was really impressed with this website, and the first time I used it, I used the free version, but since then I paid about $10 to upgrade and got quite a few more templates, so a bit more choice. So it's worth a look-see. Better than paying somebody $50 to do it for you. And if you're on top of the game, you could even charge people to do it for them.